Okay. Come in ready.
Yeah, we're rolling.
So, Michael, how did you feel making this Michael Jackson the Thriller video?
Well, I'm really pleased about the way that it came out. I feel like
Michael, we love you.
I feel like everybody did the best that they could, and I was a little off, so I feel like I let everybody down, but it was really good.
So, was the choreography hard to learn, Michael?
Where's Bubbles? Yeah, it was. You know what? It wasn't hard for me, but it was hard for everybody else. But I let everybody down. I messed up in the heat of the moment. I'm sorry.
So, approximately how long did it take for y'all to learn this awesome dance routine that y'all did?
We had about, I think it was like maybe 2 10-minute sessions, and that was it. We were done after that.
Well, you did an awesome job, Mike. This is Genevieve with Michael Jackson. After the Thriller, outstanding job.